Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is how to set the idle on Grizzly 125. This one, I did it for the video, but I went ahead and set the idle really low, and I'm going to show you what to expect when you go to set the idle. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here. A little bit more. I'm going to put a light right here so you can see what I'm doing. There we are. Okay, so when I start this now, let's go ahead and start it. So as long as I'm on the throttle like this, it'll stay running, but as soon as I let it go, it dies. So what we're going to need to do is a slight idle adjustment. Now to do that, you're going to notice this carb here has this black plug right here. That's just a little rubber plug. You can actually just pop that out like that, and right behind it then you see it's just a straight standard screwdriver. So all you have to do is turn that screw. I'm going in the wrong way, it's just I don't want to put my big fingers in the way. Like this. And if you turn that clockwise, it'll turn your idle up. So now I turned it about a quarter of a turn. Let's try it. It's still pretty low, so let's try turning it up. Oh, I'm gonna just turn it up a tiny bit. Still pretty low. So now, if I put my screwdriver in here, come on, dude. Let's try that again. If I put that in there and then turn it up, you'll notice that the idle's starting to go up. I don't have to hold the gas. So it's not quite where I want it there, it's really low. So I'm gonna go up a tiny bit more. And go up slow, don't just start cranking on that hard. Just nice and slow. Right about there is where I want it. Idle on your Grizzly 125cc. Like and subscribe, guys. We love that you're watching the videos.